Hello, friends. Imagine an AI helper that not only answers your questions, but also shows you where it got every piece of information. Google just showed off a brand new AI helper that cares about being honest more than anything else. Unlike other chatbots that just make up creative stuff, this system won't answer unless it can prove its information with a good source. This is a big change, from AI that just guesses words to AI that really cares about facts and proof. For anyone who uses information from the internet, like students, lawyers, or people who analyze things, this changes everything. We've all seen AI confidently give wrong answers. Google's new helper fixes this by being a partner you can trust, not just someone who talks a lot. Its main rule is, real truth you can check, not just guesses. The helper is made to doubt what it thinks it knows. Before it answers, it breaks down your question, looks at trusted sources, and checks facts against each other. Only when it finds strong proof will it answer. This careful, clear way of working could change what we expect from AI. Imagine a super smart research helper, checking every fact and giving you where it got the information. It's not about having more information, but about a very strict process. This is a bold new path for AI, one that puts trust and correctness first. Let's look closer to see how this technology actually works. Come on, let's explore. Let's talk about a big problem with AI hallucination, which is when AI just makes things up. Most chatbots are like guessing machines, trained to make text that sounds real, but not to check facts. This leads to answers that sound good, but are wrong, which can be dangerous in areas like medicine or news. The main problem? AI models learn from everything on the internet, mixing real facts with made-up stories and weird ideas. When there's not much information or it doesn't match up, they fill in the blanks with guesses, not proof. This makes people not trust them and spreads wrong information. Google's Honest Helper is different. It actively checks information right away. It doesn't assume anything, and it has to prove every answer with outside reliable information. If it can't prove it, it won't answer. This is a change from AI that creates things to AI that uses proof. The result: fewer confident wrong answers, more truths you can check. That's how Google directly deals with the hallucination problem. Let's take a peek at how this honest AI helper is built. At its heart is Gemini 2.5, Google's advanced model that understands many types of information. It's in charge of understanding, breaking down, and putting together answers. LangGraph acts like the boss of the work, making the helper follow a clear process plan: search, check, and create. This makes sure every answer is careful and can be done the same way every time. Fast API connects the helper to the internet, handling what users ask for quickly. Redis saves recent searches for speed, while Postgres keeps a record of past talks and feedback. Everything runs inside Docker containers, which makes the system easy to move and grow. Each part, Gemini, LangGraph, FastAPI, Redis, Postgres, Docker, has a very important job. The result: a strong, dependable system for giving AI answers that have been checked for facts. This setup is made for being clear, fast, and trustworthy. It's like a plan for building honest AI on a big scale. Now let's see how the helper actually answers your questions. Here's how the helper works, step by step. First, it breaks your big question into smaller questions. Each small question is searched at the same time across trusted places, like school papers, news, or government reports. The helper gathers all the important information quickly. Next, it checks the information against each other, looking for things that agree and pointing out things that don't. Only facts that are supported by many good sources make it into the answer. Then it puts the checked information together into a clear, direct answer. Every claim has a direct link to where it came from, so you can check the source right away. If it can't find enough proof, it simply says, "I don't know." No guessing, no making things up. This process makes sure every answer is clear and trustworthy. That's the magic behind Google's Honest Helper. The helper's most important feature: citations everywhere. Every main statement is directly linked to its source, right in the text. You don't have to trust the AI without thinking. You can check every fact with a click. This openness builds trust and lets users look deeper. Citations make the AI be very careful. If it can't find a source, it leaves that claim out. The rule, no sources, no answer, is the main reason it's so dependable. This model sets a new standard for how AI can be held responsible. In professional jobs, it means every answer can be checked and confirmed. The result? A clear, responsible research partner. Citations change AI from a black box into an open book. That's the future of trustworthy digital helpers. Where does this honest AI have the biggest effect? In research, it saves students and scientists hours by summarizing studies with direct links. In law, it helps lawyers find laws and cases, always linking to official sources. No more fake examples. In money, it looks at trends and company information, pulling from reliable reports. For businesses, it can become an expert inside the company, answering questions from company documents. Developers also benefit, getting code answers from official instructions. The helper's refusal to guess stops expensive mistakes. In all kinds of jobs, it speeds up work and makes sure things are correct. It's a tool for anyone who needs reliable information with sources. The result: faster research, safer choices, and complete confidence in the answers. That's the power of honest AI. The helper's main idea is simple. Being clear is better than being an authority, and being honest is better than guessing. It's made to say, "I don't know," rather than risk being wrong. LangGraph makes sure of this by making the AI check and recheck its work. Every answer must be proven with a high-quality source, or it's thrown out. This self-doubt inside is the secret to how dependable it is. It's built so you can check everything. Every claim can be traced back to its source. This creates a partnership. AI does the research, humans check the truth. The industry is changing from caring about how well something is written to caring about whether it can be checked. A good answer isn't just well written, it can be proven. By refusing to guess, Google's helper sets a new standard for responsible AI. This is the future AI you can trust every time. Google's Honest Helper isn't just a product. It's a platform for people who build software. The way it's built, Gemini plus LangGraph, can be changed for any area. Developers can set up their own ways of working, searching only trusted sources like internal company information or legal files. This way of building things in parts makes it easier to create, fix, and keep honest AI working. Fast API, Redis, and Postgres provide a strong base for custom applications that can grow. The key: move from AI that's a mystery to systems that are clear and can be checked. Google's plan encourages the whole developer community to build responsible AI. Don't just use a ready-made tool. Build systems that check and show where their information comes from. This is a call to action. Put trust and safety first in every AI tool. The Honest Helper is a model for the next generation of AI. Let's build a future where every answer can be checked. This Honest AI helper is a big step for safer, more trustworthy technology. As AI becomes a part of our daily lives, answers that can be checked are super important to fight wrong information. An AI that gives sources and is clear helps us make better choices, for ourselves and at work. The future? Even more advanced helpers, checking not just text, but pictures, videos, and information happening right now. Imagine AI pointing to the exact moment in a video to prove something, or giving live, sourced updates on breaking news. As users demand to know how things work, the whole industry will move towards checking facts and giving sources. This could set new rules for AI, making it a must for things to be checkable. The result? A safer, more reliable digital world. Google's helper deals with making things up by using technology and good rules, breaking down questions, looking for proof, and giving a source for everything. This is the start of a new chapter AI that's not just smart, but honest. The future of AI is about trust. Victory to India.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTechLens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.